How do you turn off the sound on the Apple Watch but keep the vibration, right? Let's say you prefer that option. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. So naturally, I would go to the Apple Watch app on the iPhone where you can manage all of the different things. So you can open up your like this app and go to the sounds and haptics, which obviously haptics are like the vibrations. And in there, you can enable the silent mode, which will filter out the sound. It will turn off all of the sounds, but it has, it didn't do anything to the vibration. So that is, the haptics section below. Make sure that this is not turned off, because if that would be turned off, you don't have neither the sound nor the vibrations, right? So that you probably want to keep at a default, and perhaps if you like it, perhaps you can choose the prominent style of haptics if you prefer. And also below you have something like crown haptics and system haptics and all of the other styles for that. So, that is to make sure that the vibration is present for all of the things and then not just for, like notifications. But speaking of notifications, we can also check out a data section within the settings app of the watch. And in there, you can also just play around with these sounds and haptics. For example, I can go to the messages and I might have notifications enabled, but perhaps only for sounds, right? Or the haptics may not be enabled, right? So I guess you also should go through the individual apps to make sure that the vibration is turned on for those too. So let me know if you managed to set it up. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. And I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot and I'll see you later.